Losing a significant amount of belly fat in just 7 days can be a challenging goal. While dramatic transformations might be advertised, it's important to approach this with realistic expectations. This 7-day plan focuses on jump-starting your weight loss journey and setting you up for long-term success. This program is designed to help you make sustainable changes to your diet and exercise routine. These changes will contribute to a healthier lifestyle and gradual, sustainable weight loss over time. Remember, consistency is key. It's about making small, manageable adjustments that you can maintain beyond this 7-day period. This guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools to make informed choices that align with your goals. Let's get started on this journey together. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is not just about appearances, it's a health concern. This type of fat surrounds your organs and has been linked to an increased risk of serious health problems. These problems include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Reducing belly fat is not merely about fitting into your favorite jeans. It's a crucial step towards improving your overall well-being. By understanding the risks associated with excess belly fat, you can find the motivation to take charge of your health. This 7-day plan aims to empower you with the knowledge and strategies to do just that. It's time to prioritize your health and begin your journey toward a slimmer, healthier you. One of the most effective ways to reduce belly fat is by adopting a balanced and nutritious diet. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients and low in calories. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should form the foundation of your meals. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support your body's natural fat-burning processes. It's equally important to limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These often contain empty calories and contribute to weight gain, particularly around the abdominal area. By making conscious choices about what you eat, you can fuel your body for optimal health and fat loss. While it's impossible to spot reduce fat from just one area, certain exercises are particularly effective in engaging your core muscles and boosting your metabolism. Cardiovascular exercises such as brisk walking, running, swimming, and cycling help burn calories and contribute to overall fat loss. Incorporate strength training exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times per week. Exercises like planks, crunches, and leg raises target your abdominal muscles, helping to tone and strengthen your core. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Listen to your body, gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts, and enjoy the process of becoming fitter and healthier. Section 5. Scientific evidence studies that support your 7-day journey. Numerous scientific studies have investigated the effectiveness of various diet and exercise strategies for belly fat reduction. These studies span across different demographics and age groups, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of what works best. Research shows that a calorie-controlled diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, combined with regular exercise, is highly effective in reducing belly fat. This combination not only helps in shedding excess weight, but also improves overall health and well-being. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that individuals who followed a Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes plant-based foods, healthy fats, and lean protein, experienced significant reductions in belly fat compared to those on a typical Western diet. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits and its ability to promote long-term weight management. Another study published in the journal Obesity found that high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, was more effective than traditional steady-state cardio in reducing belly fat in overweight and obese individuals. HIIT workouts are known for their efficiency and ability to burn a significant amount of calories in a short period. These studies provide scientific support for the strategies outlined in this 7-day plan. By following the evidence-based recommendations, you can be confident in the effectiveness of your efforts to reduce belly fat and improve your overall health. Section 6. Your day-by-day plan. Meals, exercises, and motivation. Day 1. Breakfast, oatmeal with berries and nuts. This meal is packed with fiber and antioxidants, giving you a great start to your day. Lunch, salad with grilled chicken or fish. a protein-rich meal that keeps you full and energized throughout the afternoon. Dinner vegetable stir-fry with brown rice, a nutritious and balanced meal to end your day on a healthy note. Exercise. 30 minutes of brisk walking. This low-impact exercise is perfect for boosting your cardiovascular health. Day 2. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with fruit and granola, a delicious and protein-packed way to start your morning. Lunch. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. This hearty meal is rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Dinner. Salmon with roasted vegetables, a perfect combination of healthy fats and vitamins. Exercise. 20 minutes of HIIT, or high-intensity interval training. This workout is excellent for burning calories and improving endurance. Day 3. Breakfast. Smoothie with spinach, banana, and protein powder, a refreshing and nutrient-dense start to your day. Lunch. Quinoa salad with chickpeas and vegetables. This meal is packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Dinner. Chicken breast with sweet potato and broccoli, a balanced meal that provides lean protein and complex carbs. Exercise. 30 minutes of cycling. This activity is great for building leg strength and improving cardiovascular health. Day 4. Breakfast. Eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado, a protein-rich and satisfying meal to kickstart your day. Lunch. Leftovers from dinner. Dinner. Vegetarian chili, a hearty and nutritious meal. Exercise. Rest day. Taking a rest day is crucial for muscle recovery and overall well-being. Day 5. Breakfast. Chia seed pudding with almond milk and fruit, a light yet filling breakfast option. Lunch. Tuna salad with whole grain crackers. This meal is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Dinner. Turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles, a low-carb and protein-packed dinner. Exercise. 30 minutes of swimming. This full-body workout is excellent for building endurance and muscle strength. Day 6. Breakfast. Whole grain pancakes with berries and maple syrup, a delicious and wholesome way to start your weekend. Lunch. Leftovers from dinner. Utilizing leftovers is a great way to reduce food waste and save time. Dinner. Shrimp and vegetable skewers, a light and flavorful meal to end your day. Exercise. 20 minutes of HIIT. This intense workout helps in burning fat and improving cardiovascular health. Day 7. Breakfast. Smoothie with kale, pineapple, and protein powder, a refreshing and nutrient-packed start to your day. Lunch. Chickpea and vegetable curry, a flavorful and nutritious meal that is rich in plant-based protein. Dinner. Pizza with whole wheat crust and vegetables, a healthier twist on a classic favorite. Exercise. 30 minutes of your favorite activity. Engaging in activities you love helps in maintaining motivation and consistency in your fitness journey. Section 7. Staying hydrated. The secret weapon for a flatter stomach. Drinking enough water is crucial for overall health and plays a significant role in weight management. Water helps flush out toxins, boosts your metabolism, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. You can also incorporate other hydrating beverages into your diet, such as herbal teas and infused water with fruits and vegetables. Proper hydration is a simple yet effective strategy to support your weight loss goals. Section 8. The importance of sleep and stress management. Getting enough sleep and managing stress are essential for both physical and mental well-being, and can significantly impact your weight loss efforts. Sleep is the body's natural way of healing and rejuvenating, and without it, our systems can become unbalanced. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which has been linked to increased belly fat storage. This hormone can also lead to other health issues, such as high blood pressure and a weakened immune system. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Quality sleep means uninterrupted and deep sleep cycles, which are crucial for the body's repair processes. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid screens and heavy meals before bedtime to help your body wind down. Stress can also trigger overeating and unhealthy food cravings. When stressed, people often turn to comfort foods, which are typically high in sugar and fat. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities can help lower cortisol levels and improve your mood. By prioritizing sleep and stress management, you'll create a more conducive environment for weight loss and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced lifestyle is key to maintaining both physical and mental health. Section 9. Maintaining your results. Making healthy habits stick. Congratulations on completing the 7-day belly fat blast. Remember that this is just the beginning of your journey to a healthier you. The key to maintaining your results is to make sustainable lifestyle changes. Continue to follow a balanced diet, incorporate regular exercise into your routine, prioritize sleep, and manage stress effectively. Focus on progress, not perfection. It's okay to have occasional indulgences. Just make sure they don't become the norm. Celebrate your successes along the way, and don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional. Remember, small changes over time yield significant results. Keep up the excellent work and enjoy the numerous benefits of a healthier, happier you.